Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set proxy on Telegram. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. In order to set proxy on your Telegram, first of all open up the Telegram mobile application. Once you do open up the Telegram mobile application, now what you need to do is if I go in the settings and if I go in the data and storage, from here go in the data and storage, and at the second last option is the proxy settings. Tap on the proxy settings, and at the very top is the use proxy, but make sure to set up a proxy here in Telegram. If you want to set up a proxy, simply tap on add proxy, and from here go for everything of this, and once everything is done, at the top right is the tick. Simply tap on that tick, and once that is done, the proxy will be set up on your Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.